Hi everyone, it's Simon Ammons here with episode 15 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, what are consumables? The answer, consumables refer to anything used in a biopharmaceutical manufacturing facility that is typically only used one time on the production floor. So you can think of things as PPE, so personal protective equipment that are used on a production floor. So gloves, face masks, Tyvek suits, hairnets, shoe covers and booties. Typically those are used to fight against contamination risks on a production floor. But what I just described is considered personal protective equipment or PPE. That's definitely a word we got familiar with during the pandemic. With increasing environmental concerns, however, some sites choose to reuse certain consumables. Once used, they store them in large bins, such as reusable suits or booties, and then they set them offsite for deep cleaning and sanitizing. In this way, facilities are able to not only maintain their contamination control strategy, but they're also able to reduce their impact on the environment. So that's a win-win in my book. Certain pieces of equipment also use items that can be considered consumables, if you think about it. Things such as hoses, connections, bags, especially those used in single use bioreactor systems. You have your traditional stainless steel bioreactors. We're talking about single use bioreactor systems. In that case, that bag, that hose, that item is only used once during the production process at the facility. Facilities definitely have to weigh the ongoing costs of using consumables against the overall operating costs and cleaning costs of using certain types of consumables. So that's definitely something you want to think about when weighing whether to use consumables or just going full in and just, reusing, cleaning, sanitizing. All of that also takes energy, time, and money. So definitely you have to weigh those two options when you're looking at that for your facility. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.